This is our CarPlay tested on a McLaren 570S. This is how the system works. We have GPS working fine. We can check different applications, they all work fine, including the native one of Apple. The return button works completely, so we can press it to go back from one application to another. The air conditioning system works. When we press it, we are going out of our CarPlay, but the audio is still running, which means any music or any GPS instructions will be still heard. Let's try Siri now.
导航香港
And then you can see Siri is talking even though now we are not even inside the CarPlay, because when we are in the RA system or when we are on the air conditioning, we still can hear the audio from our CarPlay system. That's how we set it up. In order to go back to CarPlay from air conditioning, keep pressing the return button for 5 seconds or more. Otherwise, it will just go back to Iris. So just keep that in mind when you use air conditioning and you need to return to CarPlay.